So our office utilizes the 60-30-10 renewal process. So about 60 days out from the renewal date, we're going to be gathering updated information such as payroll, officer exclusions, location changes, and remarketing the account to outside carriers. 30 days, we'll send the renewal proposal to our broker, and then at 10 days, we're going to send a reminder. So when you're working your renewals, you should be considering all changes in exposures. It's important to touch base with your insured to gather any exposure changes prior to the renewal. So the best way to do this is having the insured update or complete a new Accord application prior to the renewal so we have the most accurate information. As mentioned prior, 60 days out, we're going to request an updated Accord application. That way, any changes that need to be made are done prior to the carrier releasing the quote. In the case we don't receive updated information, the carrier is going to issue the renewal quote based on the payroll from the previous term. So if that payroll doesn't match their current exposure, we'll need to get it updated. Insureds are often unaware that a payroll change can take up to 3 to 5 days, so it's best to get it done before the quote is released. Having updated information eases the process for the broker and gets the quote quicker to the insured. It's also important to inform your insured you are remarketing their account at renewal to find the most competitive quote for them, and we'll be presenting the most competitive quote to you. So each carrier has their own specific appetite per product. So when you're remarketing an insured's policy, make sure you provide us with updated loss runs, payroll, or any address changes. Excuse me. So the best practices for presenting a renewal is starting the process early. Put a system in place that works best for you. On our website under templates, we have a renewal expiration report that you can download and use to organize and manage your renewals. Gather updated information about the risk. Best way to do that is using an Accord application, and communicate well with your insured.